The sun rises over the high Ubombo escarpment. On this early spring day, BioWatch staff are making their way to the Lindizwe farmers in a village in the hills above Ngwavuma, a small rural area nestled deep in the Umkhanyabude district of KwaZulu-Natal. Today, the farmers will be gathering at the homestead of Corinu Ngomezulu, a seed custodian and agroecology farmer, for their annual seed and planting ritual. This year, under the shadow of COVID-19, celebrations are being held among smaller groups of families and neighbors. The day starts early for these farmers. It is a busy time of the year. Farmers are tending to their household vegetable gardens, which have supplied a variety of nutritious vegetables and herbs through winter. They are also preparing their fields to receive grain and legume seeds that will grow through the summer when the rains come. They are working to build their seed systems and revive the traditional and indigenous varieties that are intimately connected to their culture and indigenous knowledge. The seeds have been carefully harvested, dried, and stored with insect-repellent plants and ash to ensure their quality is preserved until they are ready to be planted. BioWatch works with farmers to increase the quantity and quality of seed. Young farmers have assisted by documenting and recording the diversity of seed in each farmer's household seed bank. Part of the seed development program has been the introduction of dedicated seed plots. These are sacred spaces and are separate from the fields where the rain-fed crops are grown and harvested for eating. These seed plots get extra care. They are sculpted with planting basins which are enriched with organic matter, compost, and mulch. The depressions catch and hold the scarce rain. Before the rains in new planting season, farmers perform rituals to bless the seed and open the way. Today's rituals mark the culmination of the past year's cycle of building soil fertility and the careful observation and care of crops. Each farmer has brought a selection of seed from her seed bank to be blessed for the coming season. After the ceremony, the group sits together and reflects on the importance of their seed sovereignty and what these seeds mean to them.
Thina balimi esilima ngokwemvelo esafundisa uBioWatch.
Asikaze siye esitolo. Mina nje ngikaze ngiye esitolo kuvalelwe iCovid. Bengithatha nje umbhiya wami. Ngithatha ubhontshisi wami. Ngipheke ngenze nabantwana umshiko ngigoqoze ngidle.
Of course, no celebration would be complete without catching up on news and sharing a delicious meal prepared from each farmer's agroecological produce. We leave the farmers with watchful eyes to the gathering clouds that will birth a new season, and make our way to other BioWatch farmer groups and other seed rituals and celebrations.